going to talk today about how to create the proper cyber hygiene within your organization. Welcome back. Today we're going to discuss how to create the proper cyber hygiene within your organization with 4 beginning steps. Number 1, continuous training for all employees across the organization. Number 2, global awareness and culture across your organization. Number 3, updated security and patching. Number 4, implementing a zero trust model. I want to add that this pertains to every organization, no matter the size. Let's start with number 1, continuous training for all employees, from janitor to intern, to consultant to CEO. No matter what job they have within the organization, all employees need to be included. Training has to be open-ended, multifaceted, and varied in its methods to convey understanding and spark swift adaptation within the organization. Having multiple methods of continuous training empowers your employees to choose the best option that suits them. Number 2, promote a culture of global awareness and culture throughout your organization. In an age of unprecedented interconnectivity and globalization, your organization has to reflect today's realities. We're in a competitive labor market, and getting and keeping quality talent is a constant challenge. It's sad but true, but millions of jobs are left open because of the dearth of relevant skills among today's workforce, and this is especially true in the case of the field of cybersecurity. Number 3, updated security and patching on a regular basis. This step is at times overlooked by organizations around the world. It's common sense to keep your systems updated and patched at all times. We are all aware of many monumental data breaches that have occurred from this misstep. What this means is keep your OS systems updated so that your organization can have the patches sent down when applicable and when needed. Yes, there are many ways that organizations want to bypass this for cost, for time, and everything else that goes along with it, but this is a very important step not to be missed. Number 4, implementing a stringent zero trust model throughout your organization. Zero trust is a security theory based on the belief that organizations should not automatically give access to or trust anything inside or outside of its perimeter. The organization should instead verify everything trying to connect to its systems before granting access. The zero trust model highlights the need for proper identity management. In the past, organizations were only worried about protecting the perimeter of the organization. Today, organizations now understand that if a hacker or a bad actor was already inside the perimeter, they will now be able to contain such an attack. These are 4 highlights on how to create proper cyber hygiene within your organization. We could delve a lot deeper, and there are many more steps for organization, but these are 4 to get you started. Thank you for watching. I look forward to talking to you again soon.